Have you ever stood under a stormy sky, witnessing lightning tearing through the darkness and thunder rumbling, shaking the ground? A feeling both terrifying and overwhelming in the face of nature's terrifying power. But do you really understand what thunder and lightning are? Why do they appear, and what makes them one of the most dangerous natural phenomena? Today, we will uncover the secrets of thunder and lightning, an extremely powerful electric current, ready to destroy everything it strikes. Not just an impressive spectacle, lightning is also a giant electric monster full of surprises. From the lightning bolt's wind-tearing speed, temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, to how you can calculate the distance of a storm just by counting seconds. Don't miss out, because this knowledge not only satisfies your curiosity, but can also save your life in dangerous situations. Let's begin the journey to explore this fascinating and terrifying natural phenomenon. What is thunder and lightning? Electrical discharge between sky and earth. So, exactly what is thunder and lightning? Simply put, lightning, or a lightning bolt, is an electrical discharge phenomenon in the atmosphere. It can occur between clouds with opposite electrical charges, or between an electrically charged cloud and the ground. Sometimes we even see lightning during volcanic eruptions or dust storms. Quite amazing, right? When lightning discharges, the lightning bolt can travel at an incredible speed, up to 36,000 km/h. To put it into perspective, that's hundreds of times faster than a bullet fired from a gun. And thunder? Thunder is the sound produced by the lightning bolt. Depending on the distance and characteristics of the lightning, the thunder can be a short, sharp crack or a long, resonant rumble. Another interesting fact is that thunder usually follows the flash of lightning. This clearly illustrates that the speed of sound is much slower than the speed of light. Decoding the distance of lightning, the secret of the speed of light and sound. Have you ever wondered how to tell if a thunderstorm is near or far? It's very simple. After you see a flash of lightning, start counting the seconds until you hear the thunder. Then, take that number of seconds and divide by 3 or multiply by 0.3. And you will get the approximate distance of the lightning in kilometers. For example, if you count 9 seconds, the lightning is about 3 km away. The reason for this difference is that the speed of light, about 299,792,458 meters/second, is much faster than the speed of sound, only about 1,230 km/h under normal air conditions. Although lightning is the movement of ions, the image of lightning we see is caused by the glowing plasma stream. This plasma stream can reach a terrifying temperature of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, and 20 times the temperature needed to turn silica sand into glass. That explains why lightning can cause such devastating destruction. Why does thunder and lightning appear? The electric dance inside the cloud. So, what causes this terrifying thunder and lightning phenomenon? It all starts with electrically charged storm clouds. During their formation, ice particles, raindrops, and ice crystals collide violently inside the cloud, creating a separation of electric charges. Positive charges usually accumulate at the top of the cloud, while negative charges gather at the bottom. When two oppositely charged clouds come close to each other, or when a negatively charged cloud approaches the ground, which often carries a positive charge, the potential difference between them can reach millions of volts. When this potential difference becomes large enough, the air between them can no longer insulate, and a massive electric spark will discharge. That is lightning. If this lightning occurs between the cloud and the ground, we witness a terrifying thunderstrike. What's special is that lightning often targets tall, pointed, and isolated objects on the ground as discharge points, such as trees, power poles, or even a person standing alone in an open field. Protect yourself. The safest ways to prevent lightning strikes. Lightning is a deadly, dangerous phenomenon, so knowing how to prevent it is extremely important. When indoors, stay away from windows and doors. Avoid areas that can conduct electricity directly or be affected by lightning strikes. Stay away from electrical appliances and wet areas. Unplug all electronic devices. Avoid bathrooms, water tanks, and faucets because water is a conductor. Do not use landline phones, except in emergencies, as phone lines can conduct lightning. Mobile phones are usually safer. Unplug the TV antenna to prevent lightning from spreading through the antenna. Keep distance. Stay at least 1 meter away from electrical wires and appliances. When outdoors, absolutely do not take shelter under trees. Tall trees are prime targets for lightning. Avoid higher areas around you. Find the lowest possible place. Stay away from metal objects. Bicycles, machinery, iron fences are excellent conductors of lightning. Find a dry, low spot. If there is no safe shelter, squat down, hold your neck, stand on your toes, minimizing contact with the ground. Never lie flat on the ground. Do not stand in groups. Spread out if you are with others. Danger signs. If your hair stands on end or your skin feels tingling like an electric shock, it is a sign you are about to be struck by lightning. Immediately crouch down, cover your ears, and wait. Never lie flat on the ground. Remember these tips to protect yourself and those around you. Thunder and lightning, a natural phenomenon full of wonder and destructive power, show us the greatness of the universe while also reminding us of human fragility. From the brilliant flashes of lightning to the resounding thunderclaps, each detail contains a scientific lesson and a safety warning. Hopefully, through this video, you have gained a better understanding of the nature of thunder and lightning, and more importantly, know how to protect yourself when facing it. Knowledge is power, and in this case, knowledge can be life. If you find this video useful and interesting, don't hesitate to like and share to spread this important information to more people. And of course, please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss exciting scientific discoveries and other useful knowledge. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Stay safe.